Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. It's important so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. I woke up very early today because I wanted to give you guys a morning routine, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna give you a day in my life because I have stuff to get done and I want to bring you guys with me throughout the day. I look rough right now because I just woke up, took out my braid. Well, not me, Jason took out the braid them out of my ear for me, and my ear very dirty, so I need to wash it before I do anything at all. Quick story time. So you know me, I tell him, so Jason took out my braid, so ask baby if him can pull up my braid. Him say yes. So when Jason starts to pull out my ear, he might cut them one. So I said, no babe, that's gonna take up a heap of time. Just go through the whole thing and just cut them. So meanwhile you pull, me can help you pull as well. He said, no babe, me alone we do it, me want to do this for you. So I said, alright, I left him because me love comfort. Watch Jason going in my ear, no matter what I do, me want to lay down and me want to sleep. So I left him, make him pull out my ear. Meanwhile, him did I watch a movie. You see where I go with this? Tell me why when I go in the bathroom and looking at the mirror, my ear uneven. Just put on a piece of cotton in my ear. Anyways, before I jump in the shower, I want to open this beautiful package that was sent to me by Zipporah. I'll be trying out these products in my hair. So let us open it together. And I can't wait to see what's inside because it's so heavy. So let me show you guys what it looks like from this app. Woo! No man, talk about packaging. Let us talk about packaging. Oh my, containers is a 10 for me. So this is the healthy air butter with pure hemp oil. And I don't know me mega smell. Oh, and it's sealed. Mega smell it. Nice. This one is Zipporah kojic acid and turmeric scrub. I hope I pronounce it right. If not, feel free to correct me in the comment section because you don't know no girl take telling. Oh, we're gonna learn. But this is a turmeric scrub, the intense moisture conditioner with pure hemp oil. So this is the air conditioner. An intense moisture shampoo with pure hemp oil. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner I'm gonna use right now. And these are the leave-in ear mist with pure hemp oil. So I'm gonna use all of them here right now for my ear. This is kojic acid skin toning cream. Because me I repeat the word there so much, me need to know the proper pronunciation.
Kojic acid.
Alright.
Kojic acid.
Okay. So it's the wash, the cream, dark spot serum, and the scrub. Guess what? They have Zipporah for him. So them have beard butter, beard and body wash, beard oil, aftershave splash, and foaming shaving gel. Males, come on, go over to them business page and check it out. Check it out, especially the beard oil and the beard butter. I don't know females love a good beard. Like, check them out, guys. I went ahead and I dried my hair, and before I get into that, guys, I didn't worry to use the skincare products because I wanted to focus more on the hair products. So in another video I'll be using the skincare products like in a morning routine or a night routine. But guys, let's just talk about the hair products, because rarely me ever use hair products and I say okay, me go buy back this. Me always a worry when it comes down to hair products, because even if I love the shampoo, the conditioner always just rub me the wrong way. I have 4C texture hair and my biggest problem is to hold the moisture. My hair dry, like it dry bad. Normally when I use products, I have to dab it, I have to OD with the products to make my hair feel like okay, it quench. The conditioner, I will win me with the product here. When I rub it in and I feel how my hair soft, and then I rinse it out and it still feels soft. I love it. So yeah, let's get back on track. It's now gonna use the leave-in hair mist, and this can be used on dry or wet hair. The only thing, I'm not a big fan of this scent. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Guys, I did a quick little twist out, you know, nothing too fancy. I may go up on the road, you know, but the same so I go with it. Guys, look at this juicy twist. So juicy. Let me pull one out. Ooh, nice and soft. I use the hair butter to do the twist out. So if you see some little, you know, white spot at the product, it's soon dry. Thank you so much, Zipporah, for sending me these lovely products. I really love them, and in my next morning or night routine I'll be using the skincare products. So guys, stay tuned for that. Before I leave the house, I want to pull this package. When I collect yesterday, I never remember a thing about it. So this package was sent to me by Keeping Up with the Smiths. So she been have this to me and she not tell me what in there. So let us look at it together. I'm gonna put their link to their channel in my description box. You can go over there and check them out. It's a bonnet. It's a bonnet. My man's telling me that. Oh my. This is so cute. I have my name and the YouTube logo and the afro. Beautiful, confident, smart, powerful, strong, gifted, love, queen, fearless. This is so cute. I love this. Oh, this is the place that she got it from. So on Instagram, it's Meloy __ looks to me like 2 underscore. Look at it, guys. Tell me why I got a new style. I don't know that style here, but then put the bead on the end. I didn't want any bead, so I tell her to curl it, and it's just really cute. Mind you, the curl them never look like this. I went in the bathroom and I took a shower and the hot water did on and the curl them drop. Tell me why me think me can save the day. I said okay, let me get some rubber band, put on it and cut off the curl and spoil my hairstyle. Why me could think to myself, say, okay Andra, buy some rod and then you can curl it back yourself. Why me could think about that? Why me did have to think to cut off the curl them? My battery dead, so I just continue the video on my phone. But as I was saying, so I mess up my hair, so I have to go out here just early tomorrow morning and make sure fix it. I really want to see it. Let me see if I can sit down on it. Guys, my hair fixed now and I feel much better. So I gotta get some other stuff done now.
Certain Calmare's 9 are the not-out batsmen. They have so far put on 19 runs for the 5th wicket, where the wind is leading another 88 to overall the visitors' total. Earlier, John Keston is 151 for 4. The wind is holding an unbeatable 1-0 lead in the 2-test series.
Alright guys, so we are on our way to Love and Lucy and Adiana. We need to start to Adiana as well. Or we go up and Lovell them. And Uncle Jason.
We're going up to the Bouchers.
Yeah.
Yo,
we did some shopping for Adiana's birthday.
Oh shoot, babe. Give her turn over. See them.
Yeah, so we do one and two things. So Jason did have a belated gift for Lovell.
Slash Mother's Day gift as well.
Yeah, slash Mother's Day gift. And me and Jason buy some stuff for Adriana's birthday. So
only
trust
person
me.
missing out of the gift right now is Lucy, but I don't want Ian to get Lucy because I have my gift for me.
You have a gift for him already?
No, I don't have it now.
Make it Lucian of a Father's Day, I remember, you know?
No, but I have a gift for him, but in a purchasing.
Okay. Guys, Marisha, Lovell and Lucy. Hello?
Hey, so like everybody got a bed to face.
Hello. Pleasant. Oh, man, I thought you know. Okay, then. Can I show you?
Yeah, man.
Yo.
You want to see?
Clocks for foot. You look really nice, bro. Happy early birthday. Yes. From uncle or auntie. You want to see it? Watch her, she look funny, you know. Me want to give you a gift now. So you're going to get her early birthday gift here. So she relax. Look at her, guys.
Oi. What that?
Oh, for hairstyle so pretty.
What the
Your hair look pretty.
that work man kite me use.
Mommy, come my ear nice.
Kite now lift off. It a lift off.
Lovell, you comb her hair really nice. It's your first gift. Oh, you like it? Meow. You love it, baby?
I don't see that, you know.
Here. Hi. Hello.
You can see it? Turn around and see.
Baby.
Yo, this cutie.
Aww. It's your first
Look, she
gift.
say a cat. I don't cat this.
And, Adriana, you soon need this.
Oh, this is
Yes, you
cute.
soon need this because guess you're one. Watch out, she not a blue penny teddy bear now.
You're the
Give her a
potty
view, come
train
here, see.
girl.
Yo, this
So,
is
you're
this
gonna
is
need
awesome.
this soon.
The potty train girl.
Okay?
Cause she had her first day the third.
Okay. And some building blocks. You want to throw them all over the place?
No, them cause them was name of.
Yeah. Anyways, then we pull your own gift. And you know education is the key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? You like this?
Say one already.
This is the
Uncle give
idea.
education, you know.
The uncle idea that.
Cause my niece must learn.
Yes.
And then you're from the cool Mandeville. You like it, baby? Me I pretend like you. I'm like,
Nice. Pretty.
so you give them here. Can't act like you never see them because your birthday are not
Yeah, you
today.
want one?
Okay? Guys, look at this. It's so cute. Hey, instant baby fever. This give me cute, you know? Colors them nice, don't guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I'm gonna end off my video right now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100k. I love you guys. Bye.